In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the TradingView Fibonacci tool. By the end, you'll confidently find the Fibonacci retracement tool, place it correctly on a chart for both uptrends and downtrends, and adjust the anchor points for accurate levels. First, locate the tool. On the left side of the TradingView screen, look at the main toolbar. Find the icon group where the drawing tools are listed, typically around the second or third section. Open that group and select Fibonacci Retracement. If you hover your cursor over the icons, the tool names appear, which helps confirm you've got the right one. Next, apply it to the chart. With Fibonacci Retracement selected, move your cursor to a prominent swing point. A swing low is a clear trough where price turns up, and a swing high is a clear peak where price turns down. Click once on one swing point, then drag to the opposite swing point to define the move and release. The Fibonacci levels will appear as horizontal lines across your chart based on the range you just defined. Now, draw it for an uptrend. When price has been moving upward, start at the lowest price in that move. Click on the swing low, then drag up to the highest price in the move, the swing high, and release. This places your Fibonacci retracement from low to high, so you can see potential pullback levels within the uptrend. If your chart shows a strong rally, make sure you choose the clear low that begins the move and the clear high where it pauses or reverses. Next, draw it for a downtrend. When price has been moving downward, start at the highest price in that move. Click on the swing high, then drag down to the lowest price in the move, the swing low, and release. This places your Fibonacci retracement from high to low, so you can see potential retracement levels within the downtrend. Again, focus on the prominent high that starts the drop and the clear low where price reacts. At this point, adjust positions for precision. If the drawing is not exact, click once on the Fibonacci tool you just placed to select it. You'll see small anchor handles at both ends. Drag the first anchor so it lands exactly on the candle's wick or body at your chosen swing point. Do the same for the other anchor. Wicks are the thin lines showing the extreme high or low of a candle, and the body is the thicker part showing the open and close. Setting the anchor to the exact wick or body you want ensures your levels match the price action you're measuring. If you notice that the anchors are slightly off after you zoom or scroll, simply click the tool again and nudge each anchor to the precise high or low. The levels will update instantly as you move the anchors, so you can visually confirm alignment with the chart. Don't worry about moving it. Adjusting anchors will not delete the tool or remove your levels. From here, you can repeat the same process on any new swing. For an uptrend, always click the swing low first and drag to the swing high. For a downtrend, always click the swing high first and drag to the swing low. Keeping this order prevents inverted levels and keeps your Fibonacci tool consistent with the trend direction. Once that's done, as your Fibonacci retracement is correctly placed and your anchors are accurate to the chosen swing points, you can now read the levels with confidence and apply the same steps to other moves on your chart. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.